part allocating the stock in Sage 200 Manufacturing compared to Sicon Works Order Processing. So let's go into the works order list, highlight our works order and select allocate stock. So we don't want to allocate as much as possible, so we're unticking the box here, and then we're going to go and then select how many we want to allocate. So I want to allocate one of the top item, select OK, and let's refresh our list, and that item's now gone to part allocated. Let's just go down to Sicon Works Order Processing, Works Order List, and let's double click in our works order or select amend works order, highlight the top item and select part allocate. Quantity of 1, select save, OK, close here, and we can see, because we've got auto refresh on, we can see it's moved to part allocated.